it's an internment camp. Inside these camps, the Chinese government is detaining as many as
1 year, 3 months, and 10 days. She was trapped in a camp in the west of China.
Burn that shit! Burn that shit!
This video appears to show hundreds of Uyghur men, their heads freshly shaved, during a mass transfer at a train station.
Yes, 22 Western countries and Japan wrote a letter to the UN criticizing China's Xinjiang camps, but 54 countries, most of them Muslim-majority states, defended China's counter-extremism efforts in Xinjiang, commending China in its development policies there and in, quote-unquote, promoting care to its Muslim citizens.
Hi, my name is Regina Cajazzi, and I will be the President of the General Assembly. I will be helping you and guiding you through Munio 2021.
Hello everyone, my name is Mariana Reyes Vargas, and I have the honor of being your moderator. I will be in charge of making more fluid the debates by directing the participations.
Fellow delegates, I'm Valeria Barranco, and I will have the pleasure to be your secretary during this model. I will be in charge of following your process and reading you.
There are 2 possible topics to choose from. They will be submitted to a voting process. We decided to pick these topics because we believe in the promotion of justice worldwide.
The first possible topic is the impact and repercussions of the eradication camps in Xinjiang, China. This issue was chosen due to the violation of human rights that the population experiences daily, as well as incriminating charges for expression of culture.
China used to deny that these places exist. But now we're being given a tour. The message? These are schools, not prisons.
The second possible topic will concern all the issues involved to press brutality around the world. This topic was chosen due to the human rights violation that the world has been facing.
Helmets on.
Protests against police brutality are growing for a second
Healing
night.
is going to be hard.
And we have so many striking images to show you. This encounter between a young woman and